We have Mr. Raghav Garg, Manager IT from Honda Cars India Limited. We welcome Mr. Raghav to User World Automation Edge 2023.
Right. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So Honda has been an esteemed customer for us for over a year now, and Honda is one of the biggest brands in the world in terms of in the auto industry. So we really take a lot of pleasure and honor to have you here. So Raghav, how do you like the conference? What do you think so far?
It's great. First of all, thank you so much, Vasan, for calling us over here.
Sure.
This is really a great experience. We have so far, listened a lot of automation use cases, especially in the sector of finance. So we have heard about a lot of use cases that are currently going on in terms of finance, like fintech companies are there. So majority of the automation in India has been done in the finance sector only.
Finance only.
So, however, we have seen few of the companies like TVS has participated this time. So I think automation industry is also booming in terms of automation. And in line with the same, we are also working. We have started our journey back last year, wherein we started couple of use cases with AutomationEdge.
Sure.
And our journey is now expediting over the years. We are continuously adding more use cases with AutomationEdge. And we hope that this journey will, flourish in the upcoming times.
Wonderful, wonderful. So I just heard also from you that a lot of those IT use cases using our hyper automation platform, like application monitoring or few other use cases. Can you talk more about how AutomationEdge has been really helpful with their product capability? Was it something positive? Any high points from that product capability standpoint?
100%. So being into the core business of car making and car selling, our uptime of the applications is really important to us. So we started our first use case with automation in terms of making sure that our applications are up and running all 24/7. So in that terms, AutomationEdge has really helped us, wherein we have continuously monitored those applications through a bot. And in case there is any downtime or is there any irregularity in terms of jobs, batches or application, the same is being notified to the PIC personnel in charge for that process, and the downtime can be reduced. So this is one of the area which we have automated initially, and then continuously we are adding more use cases. Like then we have come up with another few more use cases that we have come up with. So one of those is like making sure that the in and out of the employee, 100% cycle of the employee is being checked and maintained by the bot. So this type of use cases we are continuously working.
Onboarding and offboarding.
Offboarding especially.
Offboarding especially. I'm sure especially the onboarding, offboarding, the volumes are going to be very high because you may have a lot of employees in Honda India.
Definitely.
And there is a lot of turnover also, right? So definitely the bot is going to address that through automation.
Right. Yes.
How do you see the new features that we have announced in the conference, right? For example, we talked about SolFlo Plus, which are like ready, pre-made workflows, which will be useful for standard automation scenarios, whether it's on the IT side or on the business side. Especially, I think like you talk about finance, HR. Do you think they're going to benefit you?
Definitely, few of the new features really caught my eye, like solution flow, like your EduDoc, wherein you are capturing the document reading through bot, wherein it's a sort of an OCR solution. So these are really helpful because considering we have a lot of manual work wherein invoices are to be processed manually. So such new solutions, newest technology definitely help us, give us an edge to process the things faster. Yes, the second new solution that you're talking about, solution flow, is very much applicable if we are talking about in terms of standard processes which are related to IT and HR.
Right.
So we will be definitely exploring them in upcoming times.
Wonderful. It is really a great pleasure once again, Mr. Raghav, for having you here. It's an honor for having Honda in this conference. So welcome again and enjoy the conference. Thank you very so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.